Easy is here! You have a show, right?
Sayang, ha?
You have a show?
Tapos na.
Oh, nice to see you again. And of course, Miss Resi here. Nice to see you, nice to see you. Champ, you're iba ka na ngayon.
Sayang.
Well,
Sayang.
you should have like communicated like early, you know? What happened?
I wanna.
What happened? What happened?
Oh,
What happened?
I got you back. Got a phone.
But what do you think about the fight? You watched the fight?
why tekang edad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Muntik. Nakita mo yung pasa?
Yeah. Congratulations, you're doing very good.
I'm alive.
Grabe, proud of you. Proud of you.
What you
Yeah.
gonna do?
Vlogging. Boxing.
How's that busy?
That's the last time we saw each other, 2021, right?
Right. Yung
Casimero. And then,
LA.
and then me and Casimero split ways. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yun. Yeah. Alright, Champ Easy Meal is here. Woo! The rock star.
No, what do you mean? Yeah.
Yeah. Woo!
It's a champ.
Yeah.
Champ.
Nakita mo na
What?
Boss Manny?
Ha?
Nakita mo na?
Di ba hindi? Busy sila.
Okay. Sige. I'll sa iyo. Okay.
Alright.